Alright, Stupidity officially destroyed the interior on the this truck, so I'm not really gonna fix this thing anymore. I think it's ready for the junkyard. And it's over, man. It's over. It's a pretty bad interior as is, and I made it worse. Oh well. Can't fix. Stupid. Even some of the most funkiest used cars I used to drive weren't as bad as this thing. With the black carpet and everything, and the rust on the seatbelt. Like, you know, that might have been rust stains. Rust over here. How have rust stains get in here? I don't know. I really have no idea. That's what you do to this thing. Just maybe use gas and then just light it on fire. I don't know. It's a sad day. What a waste of time. All the time fixing this thing. Ink all over it. This is really destroyed. This really just destroyed vehicle. Destroyed everything. That's why that's why I named the Ghetto Wagon the Ghetto Wagon for it, because they destroyed that. This thing, you know, is getting destroyed, and it kind of destroyed both sides of it. Other people on the bed. Destroyed the front. A lot of things. I destroyed the front once. A little bit. I think twice, actually. No. One time wasn't my fault. That should do it, though. Soak it all up, and then the shop vac it. Larry NYC. We need a whole new interior. Look at the black filth on this thing. That's what you just do. Just soak the fucking thing. Drive it into a damn puddle. Anyway, stay tuned. This might be one of the first vehicles ever that I scrap out of the junkyard. Look at this shit over here. Like, I don't know. What is that? Like, I was gonna redo the board, but they keep on hacking at it. And it's delaminating. It's shot. They need the board. I'm not a fiberglass guy. Can't fix it. I sold the headliner material like a couple months ago. I figured this is too far gone for me to do. Might work. Let that soak. Used car days. When I was running a tow truck, getting the wrecks, there was this kind of like heavy Latino detailing place that like spoke really no English. They blasted Latin beat music. Boom, boom, boom. They used to take a pressure washer and they just take it to the interior of the car because it was that bad. Carpet in and everything. They didn't give a shit. Cars were soaking wet for days. Pressure washer. And they were like as bad as this was, like this black. And it didn't even do anything. I don't know how many people have black vehicles in Florida, like filthy black. It's like really nasty people. I've seen cleaner shit in New York. This thing's trash. Yeah, it needs a whole new interior. I would just get a junkyard truck and put a dark gray interior in here. Because, like a sun fade. This thing was doomed from day one. Oh, look, seeds and, I don't know, seeds, dog hair. I have no idea. I'm only doing this because it's cloudy out. I gotta go vacuum it next. Just like, look at the color of this and all of the smoke damage in here. It literally was a 3 shades of, you know, brighter. I don't know how you do it. This used to be like a light color. I really don't know. And it's been destroyed. I want to get like a steam cleaner one day and see the before and after. Just do half of it and just leave it like that. I used to do it with the headliner. I used to vacuum half the headliner, the black shit off, and then leave it. No one ever noticed it. But it looked funny. It was half clean and half not. I did it as a joke. No one ever noticed. This is really, really nasty. Oh well, that's how you get you spill stuff, like burn holes in the back. This thing's ruined. I'm not going to, no more burn holes. I'm not going to continue with this, unfortunately. What I would do though is buy this vehicle for $500 from them, move to Maine or Vermont, and this would be a winter beater. And it would last a couple years, rot it all out, and then just junk it. Get those rockers all loose. Yep, that's what I would do with it. Look at this rust. It's all the times they leave the windows open. They get soaked in here. Look at that rust. If someone will see that shit, they'll think this is like a flood truck, especially in this area, because a lot of vehicles were. It's literally like a flood vehicle. All in a dash is like that. Connectors are like that. All from leaving your windows open all day. You should just chop the roof off this thing, and you know, have the same kind of effect on it. Just can't fix stupid. I'll leave my windows up. I have no rust in that thing. That thing is 29 years old this year. Stays just that hot or cool with the windows up, first windows down. You don't get that humidity in there. Look at this shit, dirty fuck. Look at that, what a panel. Look at this shit. Look at this shit coming off of here. What the fuck? I don't even care about this anymore. Fucked up. Dirtier than the used cars I used to drive. Dirtier. That's rust coming from the inside of the seat and the braces. It's like a flood car. Alright, been in a flood. Pretty much leave your windows open. I think I made that point when my white truck was leaking, that any vehicle bought here is a flood car, brand new or not, because of the rain. Or if you have a slight in-cab water leak, it floods the shit out of it fast. Alright, maybe not totally trashed. It's coming back. Detailing pro with minimal materials. Oh yeah, that's this rust over there. You see it's coming out. We're gonna do a little vinegar on it. We'll get the raining out. That's whoa man, whoa man. All right, can we reverse the damage so many times though on this thing? You only do it so many times. Bring it back. What a difference. I feel like pressure washing this whole thing. I wish they would stop freaking making them black in here, but that's besides the point. What a difference in color, man. Looks like new now.